Yesterday is history. Tomorrow is a mystery. But today is a gift. That is why it is called the present.
Well, so I just bought the Tesla Model 3 here. I picked it up yesterday from Calgary. And the reason why I want to do the full wrap on the car is to give it full protection, all the rock chips, like the door dings and whatever, that might happen. So, I reached out to Alex and he was really helpful, to help me to figure out, which wrap and, all the differences and everything and all the, window tints and stuff. I reached out to Alex because I did some research online, apparently the first vehicle institute here, you guys have done a lot of Teslas before, and which I was kind of worried about. Not a lot of places have done a lot of Teslas, and the reason why I went to choose the matte wrap instead of the clear ones is, this give a sort of unique matte dark gray look to the car instead of the kind of a shiny lighter gray over the color. So yeah, that's why I went here, and Alex is really helpful. He's really knowledgeable about everything. So really happy about the outcome of the car, and can't wait to drive it.